Adding the DEEZEE Fender Delete Kit to your new Bronco makes it look lean and mean. Not everyone wants the wide fender look that the Bronco has to offer. Whether it's purely just aesthetics or tire clearance, you may want to take your fenders off. That's where the DEEZEE Fender Delete Kit comes in handy. This kit will help you hide that big factory fender with a newer, thinner, more appealing body line. And the black finish looks stylish with all the factory paint colors. These fenders are durable enough to last the lifetime of your Bronco, but they also come with a 3-year limited warranty. If you're interested in purchasing the DEEZEE Fender Delete Kit for your new Bronco, or need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.